How to transfer your money from SMBC Bank account to other Japanese local banks account in 2 minutes. Here is the way. It's very easy, I will tell you. Log into the SMBC Bank account application and press transfer, and this option will appear, and press Sokin Furikomi and press Furikomi and press Shinki Furikomi Saki, and the bank account listed here is not your destination. Then search in the search bar. In my case it's Yucho Ginko or Japan Post Bank, and enter your Stenme. It should be in the katakana if Yucho Ginko or Japan Post Bank, and enter your bank account number and press next and press next. Check the details, press next, and enter the transfer amount, including the transfer fee is optionable, and then press next, and this option will appear, and press Furikomi send button and wait for a while, and you are done. Your account money is transferred to the destination. It's very easy. If you get confused in any section of video or have any other questions, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will try to answer all of the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more information and update. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.